Wow, what a reception! Within minutes, it's become wildfire. Wow, good driving, very good driving. Fantastic. You put on the indicator almost after crashing in onto me. Okay, so what is this about? This is about the brand new Acerbis fuel tank, plastic tank, plastic skid plate, plastic. Of course, you know the Acerbis handguards lineup. I don't have to educate you on that. And what else? They've also come up with engine guards, right? Engine protection cases, additional cases that go on top of the engine cases. So yeah, a complete kit. But what interests me the most is the fantastic tank. Man, what a good looking tank. What a good looking tank. Weight savings, yes, a big deal. I agree. You could be looking at about 3 to 5 kilos, somewhere between 3 kilos of weight savings, 3 and 5. But that aside, what's amazing is the way it transforms the look of this motorcycle. This is too elegant and curvy a bike. Yeah, of course, it reminds you of the Suzuki Hayabusa styling. It's because of the curved lines that you see on the bike. But to be able to call it the Himalayan was always a bit of a irritation. I did not really enjoy calling this the Himalayan. Primarily because of the lines. The lines on the 411 and the lines on the 450. Very different. And this tank just makes it look like a big brother of the 411, or the younger brother of the 411. Capacity wise big brother, age wise younger brother. So yeah, mighty thrilled at the launch of these parts. And the first thing that I'm going to get on Ben in some time from now is the moment we have details, pricing. There is a little bit of a price list of material available online, but not really sure if that's exactly the exact price that's going to hit the showrooms. But it could be more. It will definitely be more. So you'll be looking at between 40 and 50k for the fuel tank alone. And yeah, man, definitely going to get that tank no matter what. I'm definitely sold on the tank. The tank is just one thing that I've been wanting for a long time. The thing is, why am I so excited? I wanted this damn tank. I wanted Acerbis or Safari or the likes of them to make one for the bloody 411. And 6-7 years have passed by and they still did not come up with anything for the 411. I was always looking out for something for the 411, but nothing that matched the chassis of the 411. The box tubular cradle, the tubular spine, that is the problem. It's a box spine, it's not a round spine. And the angle, everything, you need a dedicated setup, otherwise you will end up, it look like a goof up if you were to customize the tank. There you go. Another, anyways, we'll keep that aside. Let's not piss ourselves today. So yeah, looking forward to getting the tank on the Sherpa and having two black beauties with me. I love the Kaza, there's no denying it. I love this shade, I love this color, but all said and done, man, nothing beats that matte black look. And it will suit. I just put a picture of the full bike. This tank from Acerbis or Acerbis is definitely going to make a game changer in terms of looks. It's definitely going to look more like the Himalayan now. So yep, looking forward to having it on the bike. Coming to the knuckle guards have been there for a really long time. The what do you call, the enduro knuckle guards from Acerbis. And so that ought not to make much of a difference. They also have a skid plate, a dedicated high density plastic skid plate. Again, for people who are into serious bashing and off-road riding like my Ben, which almost always ends up seeing rocks. So that's also going to be part of the deal. But not for me, not for me. This is predominantly a touring motorcycle for me. And what else? The engine cases is definitely something that I'll be interested in. I will definitely have these bolt-on cases go on to my engine right hand side and left hand side, and yeah, that looks cool too. But the tank, again, coming back to the tank is one deal, one hell of a deal, and I'm more than happy to have it on the bike very soon on the bike. Yep. So yeah, if this is your thing, if you've been waiting for a plastic tank for a really long time, then this is it, guys. This is it. Oh, started raining. Then this is it. You need not look further. You got your you got Acerbis putting out something amazing, and that should be it. Yep. So we'll see you guys on another one. No more talking. We'll come back to you with the tank. Until then, Ben signing out for now. Ciao.